pending. Okay. So it says if you want to practice the Dharma, why should we practice the Dharma? The reason is we have suffering inside, we have klesha, negative emotions. So how should we get freedom from it? It says Sangha sa sangha gata ga gayata gya sa ge sangye Buddha sangye la to Buddha Samatamana menpa a doctors Mao kha sa ke pa expert doctors menpa ke pe nipun doctor ko Mao da satu sha dengo she sa she Mao sha ga sha perceive Buddha as an expert doctor. So if you get sick and you will go to a doctor, and what would you do after he examines you? Okay, come on. And what would you do? Yes. What would you do? Yes. What would you do? Yes. What would you do? Okay, Jeda. So, all of us, all of the sentient beings have sufferings. So, to be free from the suffering, Buddha is like a doctor. Buddha is like a doctor. Going to a doctor and praying to him doesn't fully help you. You will have to do what the doctor tells you to do. This is how you free yourself from the sickness. Is that not so? So Buddha Dharma is like this. You should do what Buddha tells you to do. He is like a doctor. So simply praying to a doctor wouldn't help, wouldn't solve the problem. You do as what the doctor tells you. If he tells you to stop smoking, stop smoking. If he tells you to drink lots of water, drink lots of water. So follow his advice. Buddha is like a doctor. Chanaro cho sa che la to the Dharma. Che la men gi dushe shak. Perceive Dharma as medicine. Perceive Dharma as medicine. Dharma is like medicine. You will recover only if you take the medicine. That means if you want to be free from the suffering, do as the Dharma says. So medicine and Dharma are the same. You practice it, you will be liberated from the suffering. Take medicine, you will recover. Gedunla to the monks, Neyoki Dushe Shak, सङ्घलाई परिचालिकाको धारणा राख्नु. So the monk will tell you what to do. He's like a nurse. You follow his advice, and that is how you liberate yourself from the suffering. सङ्घलाई परिचालिकाको धारणा राख्नु. Ramla Nebe Dushesha. Perceive yourself as a sick person. Why should we perceive ourselves as a sick person? Quick. Why should we practice the Dharma? Yes. Yes. Not bad, okay.
We should perceive ourselves as sick because if we want to learn Dharma, we have to perceive ourselves as sick because as well. Because our body is full of negative, our mind is full of negativity.
Good, okay, Deda. So we have to perceive ourselves as a sick person. आफूलाई चाहिँ बिमारी किन सम्झिनु पर्छ भन्दाखेरि we suffer from negative emotions. तृष्णा आजै हुनु नि, दुईटा होटल भइसक्यो, आजै 10 वटा हुनु नि, यस्तो भन्दा भन्दै दुःख सामना गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. तृष्णा, घृणा, हेट्रेड, रिस देखायो भने त्यसको परिणाम के हुन्छ? नराम्रै हुन्छ. तृष्णा, घृणा, अज्ञानता, इग्नोरेन्स, ईर्ष्या. ईर्ष्या लाग्दाखेरि कसलाई दुःख हुन्छ? चुप मान्छेलाई हुन्छ कि आफूलाई हुन्छ? आफूलाई हुन्छ. ईर्ष्या, अहम, स्वार्थीपन, यसैले हामीलाई दुःख दिइरहेछ. यहाँदेखिको मुक्ति पाउनको लागि चाहिँ बुद्धलाई डॉक्टर सम्झिनु, धर्मलाई औषधि सम्झिनु. You practice this. Do as the religious text tells you to do. Only then you will be free from your suffering. Follow the advice of monks. He is like a nurse in a hospital. And consider yourself as a sick person. That is why we are practicing the Dharma. So going on pilgrimage and offering butter lamp is good, but more important is you have to do what Buddha told you to do, what the text tells you to do. This is the real practice of Buddhism. And in order to understand the Dharma, you should be able to read Tibetan first, and after that you should understand the meaning. After you understand the meaning, you contemplate on it. Is that so or not? Think about it over and again, and then practice it in your day-to-day life. Hako samay.